And now we're going to move on to our maths lesson today. Last bit of thinking about the runaway pea, which we know was full of lots of different fruits and vegetables. In your house, you might have some fruits and vegetables that you can use this activity for, or we can find other things if you haven't got lots of fruits and vegetables. I have had a look through our toy fruit and vegetables at school here. Oh, let's move them around a bit. And I have found a potato. It's not a real one. It looks real though, doesn't it? This is called a courgette, I think, or could be a cucumber, either or. And here we've got our corn on the cob. I'm going to see if I can put these fruits or vegetables in order of their size. So I want to have a look and I want to see which one I think is the smallest one. Which one is the smallest? Let's move them like this so we can see. If I put them that way so we can see their height. Which one's the smallest? It is! It's the potato! So I'm going to put my potato first because he's the smallest. Then I want to put the next one. Oh look! I think it might already be in the right order. The smallest. This one is the medium-sized one, the one in the middle. And our corn on the cob on the end here is the biggest, or the largest, you might say. So we've got our smallest, in between, in the middle, and our biggest piece of fruit at the end here. Easy. Right, let's look at our next set over here because this time I've got 4 things. I have got a banana, a piece of an orange, some peas, let's hope they don't run away, and on the end here, now that's a strange one, that one's actually called an aubergine. Might not have seen those before, an aubergine. We're going to see if we can order these foods here by their size. Now when we're looking, we're going to look for which one's the smallest. Well, that's interesting because this one is definitely not the smallest and this one here is definitely not the smallest. But when I look in the middle here at my orange and my peas, I can see that they look very similar. But which one is the smallest? Excuse me, banana, for a second. Let's have a look. So I've got my orange and my peas. Let's turn them over this way. Let's put them nice and close to the camera. Excuse my not so nice nails. Oh, now, which one do you think that out of those is the smallest? I think you're right. I think the peas are a little bit smaller, aren't they? So I'm going to put the peas down first because they were a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to go to my next one, which is my orange piece, which is a little bit bigger. And then I've got these 2 left. There we go. So I've got my peas, my orange, my banana, and my aubergine. Is that right? What do you mean no? What's wrong? Oh yes, the aubergine. Of course, that needs to come first. And then the banana needs to go last. Because the banana is the biggest. It is bigger than the aubergine. So now we've got them in the right order. The smallest all the way to the biggest one at the end. So your challenge for this morning is to have a look around your house, use food if you can, or you could get teddy bears, you could get books, you could get your toy cars, you could get some pencils, anything you can find around the house. And can you put them in order from the smallest one all the way up to the biggest one? And can you do more than 4? And can you use those words, biggest, smallest, a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, to describe your objects? Brilliant. Now what I need to do now is I need to go and get ready now while you do that, because this afternoon